it is a perfectly cloudy day here in Dallas, Texas. About the best weather, in my opinion, to shoot a video in. And I've only tried to film this video 5 or 6 times now, so what the heck? Let's try one more time. I think this might be the day. Lighting really ticks me off, and so when I have to shoot a video in really sunny conditions, it just makes me really unhappy with the overall quality of the video because of all the glare that you typically see with a video shot on a super bright day. But just got out of the dealership. I had the 30,000 mile servicing completed, which a bunch of stuff, you know, tire rotation, of course, oil change, front differential. I guess they do some work with that as well. Unfortunately, not a super cheap service either. It's a $600 servicing. So hopefully I can keep 60,000 miles off for a while, because that's apparently the next time that I have to have that same type of service done. Anyways, I was super surprised but happy to see that people wanted to have a second episode. So here we are. The car's running great. No new complaints. Some weird wear on my clutch pedal, but other than that, nothing new to report. The next thing I'm probably going to do for the car is a lip. The more and more that I see those on cars, the more I want one on mine. I think it just kind of fills out the front end, and you know, maybe the next thing after that might be some side skirts. Nothing crazy. Yes, I do have my sunroof open. I absolutely love having the sunroof open, but we are now on the highway, so it looks like I get to close it. And anyways, here we go. Yeah, that's what you came for right there. Oh man, third gear in this car, you know, just dropping it into third at about 55 miles an hour is about the most fun you can have on this planet, I guarantee you. Oh my gosh. Today, while I was having the servicing done, the dealership gave me a Forester to drive around to run some errands. Apparently, those are now a 4-cylinder turbo, which I did not know. And that little car had some pep to it. I say little car. It's a big car, but it had some pep to it. But man, this is one thing I do not miss about Dallas, is this traffic. Good heavens. In my daily commute right now, I don't really hit any traffic, courtesy of literally being on the north edge of the DFW Metroplex. I run, you know, straight up Highway 380 from about the Farmersville area all the way up over into McKinney. So I never really hit traffic on a daily basis, which is nice because I managed to keep my gas mileage pretty good. Right now I'm still getting about 30 to 32 miles to the gallon every day to and from work. Not something that you really necessarily care about too much on a car like this, but definitely something that affects its daily drivability. And that's one thing that I continue to think on this car, is that it is such a great daily driver. Yes, it's a little rough, so maybe, you know, if you're a lot older or if you just can't stand road noise, it's maybe still not the best car for you. But good heavens, as far as practicality, it's great. Obviously it'd be better if it was a hatch. Anybody and everybody that's ever done a review on this car laments the fact that there is no hatch available anymore. But for a sedan, it really does get the job done. I really have enjoyed this car. So anyways, all the VinWiki traffic has finally kind of started to subside. The video came out, I believe, the Monday before Thanksgiving, so you know, it makes sense as the views per day have gone down. The amount of traffic that I'm getting on my end has also gone down a little bit, but still meeting plenty of new people via the Instagram account and on my YouTube channel on a pretty regular basis, which has been really fun. It's just been really nice to hear people's opinions and thoughts. Well, mostly the good ones, but there's always a little bit of both. But meeting people because of the video and continuing to meet people just on a daily basis that spot the car and want to talk and whatnot, it's a lot of fun, and I continue to enjoy it. It hasn't gotten old yet, which is good, because things get old for me pretty quick. I tend to go through things because I just get, well, I get bored with them. It's best thing. It's not the best way to be in life, but this car and the situation that has come about because of the plate has really, really been fun, and I continue to appreciate it on a daily basis. And one of the coolest things that happened is we did find out, I believe it was the day after the VinWiki video launched, that there's another guy with a more recent red WRX that has a Baby Driver reference plate. It isn't Baby Driver like mine, it's Baby, but still, it's pretty cool to find that out. I was kind of hoping when that video launched that if there was anybody else that had done something similar that we'd find it, and we certainly did. So if there's anybody else that has something like that, or if you know somebody that has done something similar with their car, please do let me know. And if you have a movie-inspired vanity plate or whatnot, please do feel free to shoot me a message with it. I love seeing stuff like that. To me, it's just kind of a fun, creative little thing. And I don't know, when people see my car, they smile, they laugh, whatnot. And I love being a part of something that just so easily is able to make people happy, even if it is for just a few minutes. It really, really is fun, and I do enjoy it. So, to everybody watching out there, I am so sorry it took so long for the second episode. People have been commenting and messaging me for a few weeks now, so hopefully the next episode can come out a little bit quicker. Admittedly, the reason why this episode was delayed was, one, I couldn't really, the video just didn't feel right when I put it through editing, and two, I was so busy finishing up all of the editing from that Project 72 video, which is now finally live. So if you haven't seen that, it's the previous video on my channel. Please do check it out. Hope you like it. And if you want to hear me talk about something or answer a question that I'm not answering or haven't answered so far, please do feel free. Shoot me a comment or a message on Instagram, and I will do my best to make sure that you get the answer or receive the information that you want. So, to everybody watching, thanks so much. Y'all have an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video.